Google Veo 3.1 makes incredible AI videos. The quality is genuinely impressive. But here's the catch. Using it properly costs a lot of money, and most platforms don't even give you access. But here's the good part. There's a simple way to use the real Google Veo 3.1 completely free with no watermark. All it takes is one specific platform and your own Google account, and today I will show you every single step. Before we start, a quick heads up. Free methods like this don't always last forever, so it is definitely worth subscribing and turning on the bell right now. That way, if this method changes or a better option comes out, you will see it here first. Alright, let's begin. Open Google Chrome and search for Replit. Look at the results carefully and open the official website, the one where the address shows replit.com. Do not click on any sponsored link or a different looking website, only open the real Replit site. Once the site opens, click on Create Account in the top right corner. You will see many sign-in options here, but I am going to use my Google account because it is faster and easier than the rest. Click Continue with Google and log in with your Google account. After you log in, Replit will ask you a few simple questions. First, it will ask for a username and your full name. Type those in and click Next. Then it will ask you what describes you best. Pick whichever option fits you. I chose Designer and click Next again. Right after that, the plan screen shows up on its own. Choose the free option, which is the starter plan, and click Continue with Starter. This keeps your account completely free, so you can start right away without paying anything. You will now see Replit's main prompt box, but there is one important trick here. Do not type your video prompt yet. First type Open Canvas and click the arrow button. This step matters because opening Canvas first makes sure the video actually generates the right way. If you skip this step, it might not work properly and you could end up wasting one of your free videos for nothing. As soon as you click the arrow, Canvas will open. Now look at the bottom left side. There is a prompt box there, and this is where you type your real video prompt. You need to follow one exact format here. First type Generate a Video, then type Prompt, and after that, describe the video you want, the same way I have done on screen. Once you are done, click the arrow button, and in a few seconds your video will be ready. Sometimes, even when the chat says it's ready, the video won't automatically show up on the right canvas. If that happens, click on the small icon in the top right corner, right next to the Publish button. This opens a panel called Library on the right side, and you will see your video listed there under Videos. Right-click on the video, and a small menu will open. Click Download, and your video will save directly to your device. Now make a few more videos the exact same way, type Generate a Video, then Prompt, describe what you want this time, and click the arrow button. Each time use that same icon next to Publish to find your new video inside the library and download it from there. If it still does not show up inside the canvas, just refresh the page once and it will show up properly. I made a second, a third, and a fourth video this way, and every single one worked without any problem. But when I tried to make a fifth video, it did not work. Instead, the platform showed me this message. You've reached your monthly free quota limit, so that is the full limit for the month, only 5 videos on one account. Just so you know, a few days ago, this same platform gave 4 free videos every single day. Now it only allows 5 videos in an entire month. That is much less than before, so think carefully before you generate each one. Now here is the trick I promised earlier to get past that limit. If you have more than one Google account, connect each one separately to Replit because every account gets its own 5 free videos every month. This free method works right now, but Replit can change it at any time, just like it already did once. So use it while it still works, and if an even better method comes out, I will be sharing it here first. So subscribe and keep the bell on to stay updated.